told some of those staff members are in fact security guards. I spoke to the president of the district's non-teaching union, who says the security teams are under a lot of stress, especially after last week's incident, and he's calling on the district to do more. Dan DiClemente, president of Benti, RCSD's non-teaching staff, says security teams are under a very heavy workload these days.
Mental anguish that it takes on them is very stressful, and then they're still trying to support their own families.
He says one thing that could alleviate their stress is the implementation of armed school resource officers, and adds they've maintained support for revisiting ever since it was cut in 2019. Board President Cynthia Elliott, on the other hand, says they're not revisiting this for a few reasons.
Because has happened in the past. We've had some of our schools that have used police officers as counselors. We don't want that to happen. So if there has been some kind of altercation, they send it to the police as opposed to try to do it from a preventive way. We saw a police officer pick up a female student, and slam her to the ground.
Elliott says they've increased social emotional support over the years and wants more collaboration outside the district to address community-based issues. In the meantime, DiClemente is asking the district for other things to help security out. He says there's about 130 officers across the district, all stretched very thin.
We're trying to encourage the district to move in a direction to raise the level of pay and in an attempt to beef up the security staff in the schools. I think that under the current administration that we have now and the current leadership, we are in the process of making some headway on those issues.
Now, going back to the leaked security footage we've been talking about, the district says anyone who shared that among the staff is violating FERPA, that stands for Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act. Reporting, Erica Cost, News 8.
Erica, thank you. Board members say they're working to set up another work session with City Council to discuss safety plans moving forward. We'll keep you posted on those details as they come in.